Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm preparing General Tso's chicken. So if you want to see how I prepared this meal, stick around. So today I am cooking something I haven't had in a long time. It's General Tso's chicken. Alright, so first we want to go ahead and start off. I want to get 1/4 water, cooking wine, and we're just gonna whip that together. Went ahead and add some cornstarch. My battery died. So that's what it looks like so far. Okay guys, now our oil is hot enough. We're gonna go ahead and put in our chicken. Try not to put them too close together because you want them to have some room. So you just don't want them to get too dark, okay guys? It's getting nice and brown. You just want to flip it over so that each side can get a nice brown color. Okay guys, so now that our chicken are completely cooked, we are going to go ahead and pour them back into an empty pot without any oil. Put it on low to medium. Add some minced garlic. You're gonna try to get all of the pieces of the chicken coated with that sauce. Now we're gonna add, just gonna put just a little bit. Trying to get all your chicken coated. I'm just gonna put a little bit more of the sauce. Let that cook, or should I say simmer, just for about 2 minutes. We should be ready to serve. Look at the chili pepper. It looks amazing. Okay guys, so that is my finished meal. My General Tso's chicken. Mouth watering. Until next time guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. I cannot wait to eat this. Oh my goodness.